If you've been doing the work and still feel stuck, scattered, or spiritually starved, this is what's happening. It's not that you're not doing enough, it's that your energy is still fragmented across routines, roles, and rituals that just don't resonate with you anymore. This is for the woman who's exhausted from healing culture, who's done the inner child work, the moon rituals, the manifestation journaling, and still doesn't feel free. Hello, I'm Melanie, witchy mother of 6, former good girl, and CEO of Your Witchy Mother. I help women break up with spiritual performance and rebuild from personal power. By the end of this, you'll know why your healing isn't landing and how to build a life that reflects your actual frequency. Let's be honest, most of what gets labeled as healing is performance, the daily checklist, the routine you feel guilty for skipping, the ritual that worked once but now somehow feels hollow. That's spiritual outsourcing dressed up as freedom. It's not the same thing. What you need is a ritual life, a way of being that's rooted in your own rhythm, not someone else's method. I remember a stretch of time when I was doing everything. Morning rituals, breath work, journaling, moon tracking, nervous system regulation. I was the dream client. But I was drained, not because the tools didn't work, but because they weren't mine. They were someone else's. So they weren't anchored into me. So I burned it all down. And then I rebuilt from sensation, not strategy. From my breath, from my body. Healing doesn't have to be something you chase. It can become something you embody, sovereignty, moment by moment. So here's what that looks like. It is rituals that meet you where you are, boundaries that don't need explanation, practices that regulate your field, not just your feelings. And you might be thinking, but what if I don't know my rhythm? You do. Somewhere deep inside you do. Your body remembers. You've just been taught to override it. And the good news is there's a way to rebuild that connection without forcing another system that feels foreign to you. And that's what the Spiritual Freedom and Sovereignty Toolkit is for. It's not another healing method. It's a full life reclamation. You get the rituals, the recalibrations, and the energetic frameworks that actually nourish your power. Start with one and then let your body lead. You're not missing more healing and more readings. You need to remember who you were before your rituals became requirements, and then rebuild from there. And my Spiritual Freedom and Sovereignty Toolkit is your next step if you're done circling and you're ready to anchor it into your body. Comment below and tell me what's one ritual or rule that you're ready to release right now. Let's rebuild from resonance. Let's ritualize the life that's already yours.